nakatulang ka naman ang mundo, huwag ka naman na sakit, makikita matagam na ni Kuwa. The money lonely man. Oh, dulu ni mata-mata itu impong ibu aus. Aus hak tak tu kan lingang. Sa mete uciro buli bero luvenda nak ia wana kina ia 11 wirna gasdake sa mete buto kaya na mado sa uci to 13 maro ni bitorong yan yote tinuro na madawa ene yote tini wasa wasa dibu out yo ena bukundara ena bukundara na matali kuwa to kana no bosa ni baka ni bina ka bero luvenda. And Bulbinaka, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all of you students that are there in the bus, outside the bus, on the bus stop, inside the bus stop, inside your house, outside your house, inside your school compound, outside your school compound. A very good morning and a special welcome to you for after 3 months going back to the bus and to school this morning.
Right.
You know what? Be strong.
Yeah.
Don't lose hope.
Right.
Let's do this.
Right.
Let's show the parents that we can support them in our future plannings.
Right.
And also study hard. Do pass your exam at the end of the year.
Yeah.
When mommy or daddy will see your, your test paper or your result, they will say, baby, let's go to court, I'll buy you one bicycle.
Ouch. Baru man deve chari turanga bate ke chine egingo baru rom chime kongo na mara maliu chuno ni labo melami.
Oh, bulum na ka chine egi the bank from Lami's bank. Bulum na ka thank you for tuning in this money morning.
Okay. Ouch. Na kena miti uno buli ko tu talanga na bika tu mera fa dor na lugar.
Iyantina.
Okay, rona pandi otak siguro na itutunggo ay na matagni kuha. Baka tambui merambita lomani merambita na lomani bani korni bulo ir na ngoni buli durimbure.
For those of you kids are going inside the dormitory and are camping in school, you are not allowed to enter another dorm.
Going to boarders, boy.
For those of you boarding school, you are not allowed to go to another room because that room they are not allowed to come to your room. They are only to leave the school compound if the principal say, Acha, right? Let them go out, let them come in, Acha.
Okay.
Right? Right?
Evatarai merambibi me kornibuli se evatarai dona moni buli membibi me kornibuli and donu mernandike me bua and doni bagle sile tambane nimbula.
For all of you kids, you are allowed to come out of school if there's a health inspector to inspect you from your head to your toe. You are clear to go out.
When
they go to school,
right,
they should be checked too by one of the medical team or staff to thumbs up them to thumbs up them to go to school. Right. For those of you parents that your children are in the border school,
Yeah.
this is for you.
Okay.
Entitled to you.
Okay, na taparan ni Buli sa wartaga chuko dito don veri tumbutum mereado nga na mata-mata ni korni.
The Ministry of School is urging you.
Education.
The Ministry of Education is urging you, parents.
Yeah.
You are allowed just in front of the school, in front of the gate. You are, I repeat, you are, Roger, I repeat, you are not allowed inside the compound of the school. Yeah. Right.
Okay. Dona birthday girl go Emily. Good morning. Emily, the birthday girl.
Good morning, Emily. Good morning. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emily.
Good wave.
Happy birthday to you.
Wait, sa chulo na serangan.
Yung natuke mananda ko muna be wave talk.
Okay. You want Kio Wingo.
Right.
Can I enter your room out, Mama?
If you enter my room, you have to on the light, because if not, you will not see me. You will not see my bedroom.
Right.
You will not see my blanket. Even you will not heard or hear the sound of my.
Okay. Api saingo. Rauni on nabagati tak matanga na matanga ni kuwa. Ito samaro nang man isa tingo na buli ni kuwa. Ano naman kabirto ouch. Melanie, Seiki, Elijah.
Melanie, Seiki, Elijah, I know you are happy of going back to school. Please, I'll ask who sent the message.
Vangiratu Apisa.
Vangiratu, please. Just on this song, Mwani Tuongo, and let them just dance in front of the house. Because they are happy. They are happy of them going out.
Wala matakan dora bungon tarungo barong sumay baro tunang kay na tayo bili ko. Wara taka. Kono mo murlolo.
Belum nak murlolo na sema chumay, thank you for about to go to work murlolo. You know.
Yeah.
I remember your name of the lolo.
Go kona sureti samanga.
I used to go out doing this stuff, sureti samanga, cooking stuff. You know, that name is on you, lolo. You are one of the coconut that will be established in your name everywhere you go. Lolo here, Lolo there, Lolo there. Morning, Lolo. Right.
Good morning and all the best to all the kids returning to school.
Taising long kailo school pao.
And now,
sun month. Sun month, tumlay no school.
Oi!
Lom tumlay ka kon tayo basko, taxi le, minibus mu. Nalim ko na ko wakada. Schoolie, hamaste the cow local study. Link out ko pass. Mami daddy, hey, muleka. Toile campo poi konti kaki. Poilong kaile katutok. Okay.
Neng
kalau koko kecika.
Kaya kanto na durbo di balang ngande may bal tamol. Ouch. What is the role of the turang of the chief in a village?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. You asked the turang in the village.
Sena. Saya tali turang ko.
Right, my
chief sa atau nang itawid turang and lo man ito ko. Okay. Na itawid turang go.
Iya.
Ro na tagar matangani ko. Ro man tanga dor dem kira.
Dono.
Me bagando na nabi ka sabusay.
To thumbs up all the meeting, and I contact all the members of the villages inside the hall, at the community hall, and also at the end of that day, open bracket, uro to all, close bracket. Right.
And
we will all heard everything that will have it to him, will heard the have it to him, or will hear all the have it to him, that the meeting that going around to be established in his book. So for him to spread out the news to all the members and all that are not there in the meeting.
me vingona na tambua, ngai sole vi mata ni vanua, me patonaka.
To ask, to accept the whale's tooth and give it to the face of the land. And give it to the face of the land to hammer it. And hammer it really hard.
Ayaw saranga wa yamin. Okay. And na parang ating buwan na yaw, mangiti ang gona kinibika kede, pagarudam.
We will always hurt them, or will hurt the turang ni Koro. We will hurt him to know that all our belongings is there, that all the food crop is there, that all everything that we are putting in the village should be inside there. We'll tell it to him.
What side datang mana bosogo? Durin main bata-bata ready ko kata-kata.
Ling ling long, tai ko kai ketiket kot ke kai ketiket.
Ke suruh mata nabu.
Achu mundo.
Na ouch. Wata na papa lagi sa ba bici di bosogo na hotspot.
Hotspot na kena baga viti, di na kena baga na hotspot. Na kena baga viti. E kata-kata na namubuin. Kera kata-kata.
Kaya kaya ubango. Kaya kaya mtu anangonele ubango. Ouch. Iko okira mi hotspot yan.
Ouch. Kera orni kera nam kata-kata na mumoindi.
Face of the land.
Face of the land is the mata ni vanua is the face of the land. Mulai bersama cuma ni matam naga taytay out cuma masuk. Minta kini marutaki lebih kakek sarro ni marong cuma kina kuli dalata. Ano ba singa kaya nabi mama ni bitu. Kono ni binakata ni bekem ni nasi na buni wai. Bekem ni kakek Sarah, Nancy, Rocky.
Bira tu mati tu out.
Tobi mati tu. Latu fai cello dokai lolo pahongo. Arminaka my friend Latu. Ebiseni loli rambula. Saya mandangan on raya ni buli saya taba sa banditek sila ministry merangkai mandangani takunya lelai lebih mandangan merate ke burawa tapan ni binak tadi bekem ke sarang ni buli na maramatina na turang tama binana be susu binakana kawete itu nan rombula rangwane na makamay na mataka na numangai like hataka setaka na video sen na live na mataka ni komer ni kila to show the world what we are then who you are we are.
Oi.
Yes.
And where you are?
I am. Kelerna loloma usea la kamba batubei. This song is dedicated to Moses Watubei ke ku e a. Watubei. Losana tangir nom ouch. Vila men kaibi kana solia be kono lunga. Kata-kata ngana mo boindi chone turanga. Rana mena katitilia osea rabula. Philip and Renaka Churna Fiji returning back to school in America. The kids want to go back to school, but due to the continued increased COVID-19 case, Litia Koi and Renaka near Renaka. Tulkan Ramadan can on Elewa, Meazomana, and the Labir going to Talkin, Mataka, Kudalata. Gonamutakani rocks the Muta ouch, mama. Ouch back to school. Mataka.